Starkey Farmstead. Lazy worms. Running worm castings.
Alright, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
I'll push over. But I am going to put it right here.
Yeah. Old school.
Look at that. I mean, that came, we punched holes to put the plants in, and this is what came out of the ground. I mean, just clay. Beautiful clay. I mean, you know, clay has a purpose too. It's very rich in nutrients. If you can get it not to be like this. Look at that. I mean, that's hard. So that's what all those beautiful plants are actually in, is clay. Today is May 18th, 2022. We just finished. Everybody say bye, Pawpaw, Sammy. Heading back to Watson. We just completed our 7th 104-foot row. So here we are. Just finished this row right here, all the way down. Creole tomatoes. So super excited. It looks great. All right.
So what I did was, here's your edge retractor.
Okay.
So when you set it up, you're going to have to do this. You tilt it as far as you want it for the edge to roll out. Because I didn't know where you're going to put it. Now the doors, and if you'll notice, I made one mistake. See all the pre.
Oh, it's okay, Pawpaw. You can make one mistake.
Now, the reason I made these doors like this,
It does.
I don't have any hinges, but now he can take one of them old cages, two hinges, a latch, and here's the door.
That's
and look,
more than one.
this door ain't gonna swing in and all. That door is gonna swing right there and stop.
Good.
Y'all.
That's
more
nice.
than one cage.
Yeah,
I was
it's-
thinking it was one cage.
No, ma'am, it's 2
What do you
cages.
think?
Oh,
I love it, Daddy.
damn, that looks.
The eggs roll right here.
I hope I left enough damn room.
You didn't. That's to me too tight,
It's
Pops.
supposed to be an inch and a quarter.
All right, Pawpaw, Sammy. We noticed that we accidentally made a measurement change incorrectly, and it's not an inch and a quarter underneath the slit for the quail eggs to roll out. So how are you going to correct that?
I'm gonna pull the staples. Take all the staples out. And I'm gonna put a strip here, and right here, and roll the wire, and the eggs will roll under it.
Now, you know I would have took that whole thing apart, and all he's going to do is go back and add like a buffer and make it work.
I'll tell you what, I won't charge you for that cement.